Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about all things skincare, and in this video here we're talking about everything for the basic facial. So granted, I'm assuming that for those of you who are watching this video, you are fairly new to the whole skincare game, skincare line, and granted, so of course you're going to be going to school for this. So when I went to aesthetic school, I used Excel. So let me zoom in so that you can see. That is Excel that we used. Yeah, Excel. That's what we used. So I'm going to show you the products that we used, which were pretty good. I believe that on average, most schools were using the same ones. So granted, we're just going to go into what we used and the steps that we learned, that I'm going to show you, that way you can know how to do your basic step-by-step facial. So first things first, no matter what kind of facial you're going to do, from basic, no matter what type of skin type, you're always going to cleanse. That should always be your number one. Definitely cleanse, because you want to make sure whatever dirt, whatever oils, whatever sebums is on the skin, you're going to remove everything. So you're just going to use like a basic cleanser that they have. Cleansing lotion here. Yeah, this is 8.3 8.33 fluid ounces. Always cleanse. Next step, you're going to use your astringent lotion. Granted, we have one for oily skin, we have one for dry skin. This one here, this one is for the dry skin. Astringent lotion. Gonna zoom into everything so that you can see. And this one here is for oily skin. Bit thicker in consistency. Next, we're going to do the exfoliation scrub cream. Then we're going to do our refreshing face mask. Then you're going to put everything back in with the revitalizing cream. Then, if they have oily skin, you're going to use the sebum control. Now, let me show you what all the consistencies look like, and we'll go step by step on how this works. Okay, so now step one, we're going to cleanse. Cleansing, you're going to take rubber bowls. I rather the rubber bowls because with rubber bowls, they're easy to wash and they're not going to rust based on whatever product that you're going to use in order to do the cleansing. You can use green, green sponge, whatever you like. Yellow, it doesn't matter. White, it doesn't matter what color it is. Just, you got to make sure that you're cleansing properly in order to remove whatever oils, whatever it is, off of the skin. So that's first things first. Medium, small bowl. They come in all different sizes, all different shapes, color, whatever. Doesn't matter. I just prefer, and what we learned in school, it's just best to have the rubber bowl. So that's that. Next, like I said, the astringent. This is for the dry skin. For the oily skin is there. Next, we're going to exfoliate. Let me show you the consistency. See that? Like a more coffee kind of consistency. Just as you can see. I use this brush here, like a nice little silicone, to go ahead and place it onto the skin. Easy to clean, easy to wash, will not rust. Dollar Tree. You can use these like silicone pads. They're super soft to kind of really get into the groove. See that? Really soft. See, super soft. Silicone as well. All different kind of colors. Does not matter. Not important. Next, we're going to revitalize for the face mask. Oh my god, this thing smells so good. Look at that, so you can see the consistency in it. Nice and light. Keep that on for like 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. I like to do 20 just for like that extra fresh smell, the extra fresh feeling afterward. It's so divine, like it's heavenly. That's that. Then afterward, you're just gonna have to put your revitalizing cream, super thick consistency. Granted, if they have normal skin, that's fine. But granted, what we did learn is that if they do have oily skin, then you could definitely use the sebum control. So this is like a optional step. The sebum control. I also have these pads up here due to the fact that, let's say for example, after you do your cleanse with these, if you want to kind of like just kind of dampen the skin a little bit, I don't like using the cotton rolls or cotton pads because that leaves residue. But when I use these, it's like almost little to nothing. I think it even says it on the box. Let me see. Yeah, low lint. Yeah, like the lint. So product or lint or what have you, it doesn't leave that. Cheap. I think Dollar Tree may have, maybe Walgreens may have, maybe like a Walmart may have them as well. Not expensive at all. Anyway, so to go back, let's recap really quickly. First things first, always cleanse. Astringent, dry skin, oily skin, you're going to exfoliate with the cream, mask, revitalize with a cream, and optional, the sebum control. And other little things that we use here. Like I said, these are just all the basic steps for a facial. And guys, there you have it. Any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Good luck with your facials. Take care, enjoy, have fun in class.